Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Standing directly in front of the brick facade of the Ford Theatre, you're looking at more than just a building. You're looking at a pivotal chapter of the American story. Originally built as a house of worship before being converted into a theatre by John T. Ford in 1863, this structure was once the height of Washington's social scene. Its three-story arched windows and simple Victorian styling were designed to invite the public into a world of comedy and drama. However, the drama that unfolded here on April 14, 1865, was far more consequential than any play ever performed on its stage. As you look up at the building, imagine the scene on the fateful Good Friday. The Civil War had effectively ended just days prior with Lee's surrender at Appomattox. The city was in a state of jubilation, and President Abraham Lincoln, seeking a rare moment of levity, came here to see the comedy Our American Cousin. The theatre was packed. The gaslights were glowing, and the atmosphere was one of hard-won relief. It is chilling to realize that the doors you see here today are the same threshold through which the president walked, entering a space that would soon transition from a house of laughter to a house of mourning. The architecture of the theatre today is a meticulous restoration. After the assassination, the government took over the building, and for decades it was used for office space and storage. Its interior gutted, its stage silenced. It wasn't until the 1960s that the National Park Service restored it to its 1865 appearance. When you step inside, the red wallpaper, the bentwood chairs, and the draped flags around the presidential box create a staggering sense of then. It feels as though the clock has been stopped. The presidential box, situated at the right of the stage, remains perpetually decorated yet empty, a silent, powerful tribute to the man who was lost. The street outside also tells a story. Directly across from the theatre is the Peterson House, where Lincoln was taken to spend his final hours. This short distance across 10th Street represents the final journey of a leader who had carried the weight of a fractured nation. Today the theatre serves a dual purpose. It is a world-class museum and a working stage that continues to produce plays that explore the American experience. Standing here you feel the profound paradox of Ford's theatre. It is a site of immense tragedy. It is also the site of enduring inspiration. It reminds us of the fragility of democracy and the strength of the individuals who have shaped it. As the modern city of Washington swirls around this block, Ford Theatre remains a quiet, brick sentinel, demanding that we remember the past while we continue the work of building the future.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.